Gamma waves and X-rays are the two types of electromagnetic wave with the highest frequencies. They can potentially cause harm to our bodies if we're exposed to them for too long, but they do also have some useful applications. X-rays can be used to create internal images of the body. Here's an example of someone having an X-ray scan. Here, X-rays are projected through their body and at a screen on the other side of them. As the X-rays pass through the body, they're absorbed differently by different tissues. Skin and most other tissues won't affect the X-rays, but they'll be absorbed by bones and other dense tissues. By seeing how many X-rays reach each point on the screen, we can create an image that lets us see these bones and tissue. Doing a scan like this lets us spot breaks and other irregularities in bones and even some cancers, which allows us to figure out treatments. But can gamma waves also be used for diagnosis? Gamma rays can be used to track the location of a substance in the body. Now let's suppose we have a hospital patient and we've injected a medical tracer into their bloodstream, which will be carried around their body by blood flow. The tracer contains a compound which will emit gamma rays which escape from the patient's body. We can then detect these rays and use them to track how the tracer is being carried around the body. Doing so can let us see if there's, say, a problem with the patient's heart. Or we can even use this process outside of hospitals, for example by tracking how water is flowing through a drainage system. But are there any other uses of gamma waves? Well, concentrated gamma rays can be used to kill cancer cells. Let's suppose we have a cancerous growth forming on an organ. We can attempt to treat this by directing gamma rays at the cancerous cells. Note that we have to target these cells in particular with the rays, as they can potentially damage the surrounding healthy cells with too much exposure. This is why we direct the gamma waves from multiple angles to reduce the number of waves reaching the surrounding cells. This treatment will kill the cancer cells, as the gamma waves supply them with large amounts of energy, and the cells cannot survive after absorbing this. For your exam, you should be able to recall these applications and the types of electromagnetic waves we have to use for them.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!